Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make urea broth. This specialized liquid medium is crucial for differentiating various microorganisms, particularly within the Enterobacteriaceae family. It helps us detect the presence of the enzyme urease, which certain bacteria produce. Urease breaks down urea into ammonia, leading to an alkaline environment. This change is visible thanks to a pH indicator called phenol red. To prepare 1 liter of urea broth, you will need several key ingredients. Start with 20 grams of urea, which is the substrate for the urease enzyme. Next, add 9.5 grams of disodium hydrogen phosphate and 9.1 grams of monopotassium phosphate. These act as buffers. Include 0.1 gram of yeast extract to provide essential nutrients for microbial growth. Finally, add 0.01 gram of phenol red, our pH indicator. The preparation process is straightforward, but requires careful attention. First, dissolve a total of 38.7 grams of the combined ingredients into 1 liter of distilled water. Mix everything thoroughly until the powder is completely dissolved. It is critical to sterilize the solution by filtration, typically using a 0.45 micrometer membrane. Remember, you must not heat or autoclave this medium, as urea is heat-sensitive and will decompose. Finally, aseptically dispense 3 milliliter portions into sterile test tubes. Proper storage is essential for the longevity and accuracy of your urea broth. Store the prepared medium in a refrigerator, ideally between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius, and always protect it from direct light. When interpreting results, a positive urease test is indicated by a distinct color change. The broth will transform from its initial orange-red color to a vibrant bright pink, signifying an alkaline pH above 8.1 due to ammonia production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.